Hey guys, it's downpouring like crazy. I had to go around and run around the house and shut all the windows. Thank goodness I opened up this door. Oh, it got a little wet. It's just coming down like crazy. And it's not even a minute. It's not even 1 minute. Wow. Wow, that oh, it's getting wet in here. Oh shoot. It's getting a little wet in here. How dirty this got. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it's getting worse. It's getting worse. Okay. Wow. And it just came. Like 2 minutes ago, it was not raining. Wow, I can't believe it. Looks like our grass could use it a little bit. Wow. Okay, guys. Oh, it's getting worse. I better close this window. That better not be hail. Is that hail? Whoa. Okay, I have to make sure all the windows are closed. Oh my goodness. And we do have a sump pump in our basement, so although I should be touching wood. Where's wood? Touch wood, touch wood. Wow. Okay, I have to go around, make sure all the windows are closed. Darn, I was gonna go shopping. I wasn't ready for shopping yet. Guys, I wasn't ready for shopping yet. Look at that craziness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. Okay, it's getting really, really windy now. That was a big truck. Okay. I am just kind of started. Oh, thank goodness. Starting to ease off a bit. What was that? Crazy. Crazy. Okay, I have to go. The rain's getting in here. Okay, guys. Woo, thunder. I love thunder. I love it. I don't want to go, but I have to go. Look at the wind! Okay, I have to get all these windows shut. Okay guys, bye for now.